In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change data types in Power Query. Getting data types right is one of the most important things you can do to make your reports accurate, your visuals behave correctly, and your calculations work as expected. If numbers are treated like text or dates are read as plain strings, you'll run into sorting issues, broken aggregations, and odd errors. So let's walk through the process clearly and confidently. First, launch Power BI Desktop. Give it a moment to start up, and you'll land on the main canvas with the ribbon along the top. This is your workspace for designing reports and managing data. Next, open your existing file. If you already have a .pbx file, load it up. Once it opens, head to the Transform Data option to enter the Power Query editor. This is where all your data preparation happens before it reaches your model. You'll see your queries listed on the left, a preview of your data in the middle, and the Applied Steps pane on the right. Now, select the column you want to change. Click directly on the column header in the data preview. If several columns share the same intended type, you can select multiple by holding Ctrl while clicking, and then apply the same type to all of them at once. Take a quick look at the values in the column to confirm what they represent: text, numbers, dates, or true/false, so you choose the right type. With the column selected, go to the Home tab inside the Power Query editor. This is where you'll find the most common transformation tools. Staying on the Home tab keeps everything simple and easy to access as you standardize your data. Use the Data Type drop-down in the Transform group to set the correct type. Common choices include text for labels or IDs, whole number for counts, decimal number for continuous numeric values, date or date/time for time-based fields, and true/false for binary flags. After you choose a type, Power Query records this action as a step, which helps keep your transformations repeatable. If you see error indicators after changing the type, it usually means some values don't fit the new type. Perhaps stray characters in a numeric field or a date in an unexpected format. For region-specific formats, the Using Locale option under the same data type menu can help interpret dates and numbers correctly. That's it. Launch Power BI Desktop, open your file, select the column, go to the Home tab, and choose the right data type from the Transform group. With consistent data types, your sorting, filtering, measures, and visuals will just work.